Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do unitary method, the multiple choice type. Now this is chapter 8. Page number 114. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. We are doing question 6. A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days and B alone can do the same work in 12 days. How long will A and B take to complete this working together? So here we know that if A works alone, it can finish the work in 6 days, and if B works alone, the work will be finished in 12 days. Now we have to find out the 1 day's work of A and 1 day's work of B. So let's begin by saying A can do a piece of work in 6 days. This is given to us. So A's 1 day's work will be 1 by 6. 1 day's work will be 1 by 6. Similarly, B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So B's 1 day's work will be 1 by 12. So now we know A's 1 day's work and B's 1 day's work. Now together, how long will they take to complete this? So A plus B's 1 day's work. That means this is 1 day's work of A. This is 1 day's work of B. We have to add it up. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. So let's work this out in the working column. So let's take that here, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Now we know when it is addition of fractions, we have to find the LCM. The LCM here is 12. So here we can say 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. So 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. Plus, since the other fractions denominator is 12 itself, we can write 1 here. So this is 1. So this becomes 3 by 12. 3 by 12, we can reduce it to the lowest term, divide both by 3. So this is 3 by 12. We can divide both by 3. So this becomes 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So this is 1 by 4. So A's and B's 1 day's work is 1 by 4. Now this is 1 day's work. Now we are asked to find how many days they will take to complete. So to find the number of days, we have to use this formula, that is number of days to complete a work is 1 by 1 day's work. Okay, so let's do this. So this will be 1 by 1 day's work means 1 divided by 1 day's work. 1 day's work is 1 by 4. So let's divide that. So 1 divided by 1 by 4. This becomes 1 into 4 by 1. 4 by 1, and here we can cancel the 1. So what do we have? We just have 4. So this is 4. So that means A and B will complete this work together in 4 days. So we can write the answer 4 here. So this is how we need to find out. First we need to find out A's 1 day's work, then B's 1 day's work, add it up together and just write the reciprocal of this. Straight away you can write the reciprocal, or you can divide it like this and get your answer. So this is option 2. So let's take that option 2, 4 days. That is our correct answer. Question 7. A water tank can be filled by a tap in 6 hours and can be emptied by a pipe in 9 hours. If both the tap and the pipe are opened together, the empty tank will be filled in how many hours is the question. So the tap can fill it in 6 hours, the pipe can empty it in 9 hours. So again we have to find for 1 hour for each. So let's write, a tap fills a water tank in 6 hours. So in 1 hour it will fill 1/6 of the water tank. Similarly, a pipe empties the water tank in 9 hours. That means in 1 hour it empties 1/9 of the water tank. So together, how long will they take to fill this empty tank? So in 1 hour, the tap and the pipe will fill. Now we take 1 by 6, and since the pipe empties it, we're going to subtract by 1 by 9. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9 of the water tank. So let's work this out. Let's work this out. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9. So our LCM will be 18. 6 into 3 is 18. So 1 into 3. So that is 1 3s are 3 minus 9 into 2 is 18. So 1 into 2 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 by 18. Now we've got 1 by 18. That means to find out how long they will take, how long they'll take, we just have to write the reciprocal of that. And 1 by 18's reciprocal is 18 by 1 or simply 18. So the water tank will be filled in 18 hours and our answer is option 4, 18 hours. Question 8. If A is to B is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 and A minus B is equal to 50, then B, we have to find the value of B. Which of these is the answer? So first let's write down what's given to us. We are given A is to B. A is to B is equal to 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. Now since they are fractions, let's find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So here we can write this way, that is we can take A and write A is equal to the first part of the ratio, that is 1 by 2 into the LCM, which is 6. Similarly, take B and write the second one, which is 1 by 3 into the LCM, which is 6. Now we can cancel. 2 3's are 6 and 3 2's are 6. So what do we have here? A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. So when we write this as ratio, now we can say A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. Now here we're also given A minus B is equal to 50 in the question, isn't it? So to find the value of B, we have to find the value of B. For that, we're going to look again at this A is to B and we're going to consider A to be 3x and B to be 2x. So let's consider that. That is, let A be equal to 3x and B be equal to 2x. So in that case, if we take A minus B is equal to 50 from the question, so we can replace A with 3x and B with 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to 50. So now 3 minus 2 is 1, that is 1x is equal to 50 or x is equal to 50. Now that we know the value of x, we can find the value of only B because we've been asked to find only B. So B is 2x. So in that case, we say B is equal to 2x, which is 2 into x and x is 50 and 2 into 50 is 100. So we have found the value of B and that is 100 and that is option 3, 100. Question 9. If A is to B is to C is equal to 5 is to 2 is to 3 and A plus B minus C is equal to 200, then here also we are asked to find the value of only B. So let's begin by saying let A, now let's take this ratio first and write it down. That is A is to B is to C. This is equal to 5 is to 2 is to 3. So in this case, let's say let A be equal to the first part of the ratio, that is 5x, B is equal to 2x and C is equal to 3x. Now in the question we are asked to find only B, so we are only going to worry about this. Now let's go back to this equation here. Here it says A plus B minus C is equal to 200. So let's write that down. A plus B minus C is equal to 200. Now we're going to substitute A with 5x, B with 2x and C with 3x. So let's do that. So 5x plus 2x minus 3x is equal to 200. So let's work this out. So here we have 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. So that means 4x. 4x is equal to 200. Now we can find the value of only x. X is equal to 200 divided by 4. So 4 5's are 20 and then the 0, so that makes it 50. So x is equal to 50. We have found the value of x. X is equal to 50. And look at this, we have to find only b, isn't it? And b is 2x. So let's write that down. B is equal to 2x. That means b is equal to 2 into x and x is 50, which is 100. So we have found our answer. B is equal to 100, and that is option 3 here. B is equal to 100. Question 10. If 5 is to 30x is equal to 15 is to 6, then what is the value of x? One of these answers. So let's write down these two ratios. So here it's given to us that 15 is to 30x is equal to 15 is to 6. When two ratios are equal, we say that they are in proportion. In that case, we can apply the formula product of means is equal to product of extremes. So these are the extremes 5 and 6, and these are the means. So we can do that. That means product of means. So let's write that down. 30x and 15. Product of this is equal to 5 into 6. So here we can now solve and find the value of x. Let's keep only 30x this side. That means on the other side we have 5 into 6 divided by 15, because I have transposed this 15 from here to the other side. So 5 into 6 by 15. So and then we can find the value of x also. So here let's find the value of x. This will be 5 into 6 by 15, and here again we carry over this 30 to the other side. It becomes division again into 30. So here we can cancel. So what can we cancel here? We can cancel 5 and 15 or 5 and 30. Anyway we can cancel. So 5, I can say 5 3s are 15 and 3 2s are 6. 2 and 15 I can cancel. So what do I have here now? I have the value of x to be 1 by 15. So 1 by 15. So this is our answer. 1 by 15 is our answer, and that is option 2. Option 2, 1 by 15 is the answer. So with this, children, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.